Is the US economy finally turning around after Corona? Does a company like JP Morgan has brighter days in front of it? Is now a good time to buy stock in JP Morgan? Stay tuned. Let's analyze this. Wagwan, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dreycosting. If it's the first time over here, what we do over this channel is to analyze the financial market, chop it up in pieces so each and everyone can understand. Today we're going to take a look at JP Morgan. So their quarter ending March 2021 report is coming up Wednesday of this week, right? That's tomorrow. So we're going to take a look at how JP Morgan looks like and what to predict in order to know if we should continue buying shares in JP Morgan, right? But before we jump into it, you know it already. Quick disclaimer. Alright, JP Morgan on the daily chart, right? So normally when I do these videos, right, I do the long videos analyzing the financial statements and so on. You guys don't watch it. So I said to myself, how can I make it a little bit more interesting? Because I know you guys love the charts, right? So what I'm going to do, instead of breaking down the financial statements, which might get a little boring, I'm going to show you guys the financial statements graphically. Does that make any sense? So watch me now. JP Morgan, right? So let's take this level right here, right? But I like to use black line for those strong levels, right? So JP Morgan broke this level in 2017. We're all the way on to 2020. Y'all know what happened in 2020, right? Every single company in the world and the mother stock, right, drop in March 2020 when Corona hit, right? Then what? Watch me now. JP, they started to take off a bit, right? Not too bad, right? So let me resize this. Bam. So JP is at a new high, right? So going all the way back to 2011, right? They're at a new high, a new high, right? New high. So what you're gonna do here, right? Shift, retest, create a higher low. It already retested and created a higher low right here, right? So if you watch the video yesterday on Doji, right? You know this is a dragonfly. And what they say about dragonfly? It represents bullish movements, right? So what you want to do, before you can assume that this is going to go upwards and continue up, you first need to analyze the information that is driving this price. If you don't know what I mean by information driving price, right, check out the video in the YouTube card above, right? That's my best video on this channel, no cap. So I'm going to make it simple. I'm going to click financials, right? I'm going to come down to operating income. So the operating income is after you take your income minus your expenses. So this is like the net profit. We're going to select quarterly, right? Bam. Let's maximize this for a bit, right? I want you guys to reason with me now, right? So before Corona, right, their operating income, their net income has been rising, right? I'm not going to go in much details, right, in the various aspect of the financial statement. If you want to see how we use the charts and analyze financial statement from the charts, check out the YouTube card above, right? I did that video already. So we're just going to focus on the net income for today, right? Dropping Corona in March 2020, right? Then the income start to rise again. Bam, right? Went from 3 billion, 5 billion, 12 billion, 15 billion. So I'm saying to you that it's the information that drives price action. So watch me now. If when the financial statement comes out tomorrow, right, and the operating income or the net income is higher than 15 billion, going upwards, continuing up, right, then what you're going to do is to go to your chart and analyze your chart for a bullish run. Does that make any sense? It's because the information is driving the price action. If the information is good, the stock is going to be in demand, which is going to drive the price up. If the information is bad, right, the stock will no longer be in demand, which is going to drive the price down. Demand and supply, right? So watch me now. Going back. So with the assumption that the operating income is more than the 15 billion, right? What we're going to do? We have a nice little dragonfly right here, right? It's simple. Watch me now. Price shift, retest, create a higher low there. Shift, retest, created a higher low here. Right? So what all you're going to do is this. Bam. Entry here. You're going to put a buy stop, right? A buy stop order. If you don't know what I mean by buy stop order, check out the video in the YouTube card above. I cover all of these knowledge videos. You can't expect to trade on the chart if you don't have the fundamental knowledge of how to trade. Alright, so stop loss behind here, buy stop right here, right? So we're going to put a buy stop. Bam. Buy stop. Alright. Buy stop. Right? Bam. So we're going to do the same thing that we did for the US 30 and the German 30. There is no history of price at this level because this is new eyes for us to look left to analyze support and resistance. So when there's no history, what did I say that you guys should do? We're going to use the MO. Does that make sense? We're going to use the what? MO. So let's take this nice move right here. Or should I say the previous move, which is this. Shift, retest, higher low. Alright. We're going to use the MO. Bam. Alright. Bam. Alright. Raise it up there. Alright. Bam. Take profit about there. Right. Entry here. Stop loss there. Right. But this is stocks, so you can try to hold this for the long term, right? So from once price retest again and create a next higher low, what you're gonna do? All you're gonna do is to move your stop loss upwards, right? Let me do this nice. Bam, stop loss was here, right? All you're gonna do is just to continue to move your stop loss upwards, right? When in profit, trail and stop it. Thank you guys for watching. And if there's any company you'd like to see me analyze and break down, please comment below and I'll try my very best to assist you. Go on, big up on yourself and enjoy the rest of your week. I'm out.